Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to fix running out of storage in Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Microsoft Outlook account. After you open up your Microsoft Outlook account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your icon from the top side right here. Click on here, then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage storage. So it take you right here. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on free up space. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply look for OneDrive. So click on OneDrive. So it's going to take you to all the largest files in your OneDrive. What you need to do is to simply click and hold down. And then after click and hold down, it's selected. And then what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. Click on delete. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here. Simply click on delete. So with that, you are able to save about 780 something megabytes. So there are much files that are larger right here. You can select as many as possible. So we can also select multiple files. So I'm going to simply select on this. I'll click and hold down. Then this time around, I can add some photo. So right here, let us zoom out. Then we have so much file right here that are still much larger. Just like this one right here, this one, and the likes. So we can select multiple photo or video as the case may be. Then once you delete them, you can also come to your trash bin right here. Make sure you check on your trash bin. If you have any file in the trash bin, then it's open up like so. And then as you can see right here, we have a lot of file also in our trash bin. And for us to clear all the trash bin, what we want to do is to simply click and hold down, and then it's going to be selected. We can select as many as possible files from our trash bin also. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this. Then what we want to do next is to make sure we delete them after selecting it. So we want to simply come to the top right here. So and make sure we click on delete right here. Then right here, we simply click on delete. And make sure that you are sure that you want to delete this permanently. Click on delete. And it's as simple as that. You can delete as many as possible from your Microsoft storage account. So by the time we go back to my storage in Microsoft, so let's simply go back to my storage and then go back here. So you can see I'm gaining some storage capacity right here. So you can go on and delete some of the large file or some of the file that you don't need in your Microsoft account without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply fix running out of storage in Microsoft account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.